Hi there, students. Dexterity, an uncountable noun usually. Dexterous or dexterous, two spellings. The adjective, dexterously. Okay, so if somebody is dexterous, they have the ability do to skillfully do things that are difficult with their hands. So with great dexterity, great manual dexterity, yeah, you're very agile with your hands. So a pianist has great manual dexterity. A guitar player has great manual dexterity. So notice dexterity, the first meaning is the hands, with the hands. But then you could have physical dexterity. So a footballer is very dexterous. Yeah, he has dexterity, or she has dexterity with her feet. Yeah, a child may lack the dexterity to do this properly. So it's a physical skill. Yeah, dexterity, being able to do things, do tasks, very well, very agilely, very nimble, particularly with the hands. Yeah, so maybe you need dexterity to use chopsticks. No, I think you just need practice. Now, you can use it metaphorically as well. Mental dexterity. He worked out the calculation in his mind with great dexterity. So you could have mental dexterity. Yeah, you can work things out very easily. Yeah, mental skill or quickness. You're very adroit. Yeah, so dexterity, you can use it for other things. Yeah, mental skill, cleverness, being able to do things, being nimble mentally as well. Okay, so dexterity, being able to do things with your hands. A magician needs great dexterity. Yeah, to do the magic tricks, to do the sleights of the hand. Yeah, I think one needs mental dexterity to speak a language well, mental dexterity and practice. Yeah, so it could be skill using your hand, your body, or your mind. Yeah, all three are valid. Okay, so dexterity. Now, notice dexterous or dexterous. As a Brit, I spell it Dextrous. But I've noticed that the Americans spell it Dexterous. And that's why I say dexterous. Whereas I think an American might say dexterous. So you've got an extra syllable in there. So dexterous. If you play computer games, it can help your manual dexterity. Yeah, there are various things that you can do. Think about this. Ambidextrous is somebody who can use both their right and their left hand almost indistinctly. Yeah, somebody who can use both hands. They have dexterity with both their left and their right hands. Okay, and that's the idea of dexterity. So it's talking about skill, having the knack of doing things, be, being very neat and nimble, particularly with your hands. So a guitarist showed great dexterity. A good writer or a good poet will have dexterity when writing. So, formality, dexterity. Dexterous. I think dexterity, I think I would give a 5.5. Dexterous, I think I would give a 6 in formality, but use both of them anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin through French. In Latin, dexter, on the right. And the reason is that most people are right-handed, and therefore they are more skilled with their right hand than their left hand. I'm sorry about that, those of you out there who are lefties, but well, it's the way the language is. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dexterity Dextrous.